Changing leverage on XTB involves adjusting the margin requirements for your trades. Here's how to do it. Log into your account. Sign into your XTB account using your credentials. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or dashboard. This is usually accessible from the main menu or profile icon. Find leverage settings. Locate the section or tab where leverage settings are managed. This may be labeled as leverage or margin requirements. Select desired leverage. In the leverage settings section, you will find options to adjust the leverage for your account. Choose the desired leverage level from the available options. Review and confirm. Review the changes you're making to your leverage settings to ensure they align with your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Confirm your selection to apply the changes. Wait for confirmation. After confirming the changes, wait for XTB to process the request and update your account settings accordingly. This may take a short period depending on XTB's processing times. Monitor your trades. Once the leverage changes are applied, monitor your trades and account activity closely to ensure everything is functioning as expected with the new leverage settings.